Interweb. It's me, Fast Eddie.
Fast Eddie.
So today what we're doing is installing a alarm lock Trilogy T2. So, yeah, it was kind of a mess, but yeah, we got it done. Hope you enjoy the video. So we started out with the customer wanting us to use the existing wraparound plate. This is my template that I use from Major Manufacturing. It's called the HIT 102. So this application requires us to drill 5 additional holes. So we're going to drill the top 2 corner holes, the top center hole, and the 2 bottom stem holes. Now we got to take the template off and drill the 1-inch hole that the wires travel through. A little good news. I was successful at convincing the customer to allow me to sell them a wraparound plate that's made for Trilogy T2 instead of the one they had. It was such a mess. So now I'm ready to install the keypad. All I got to do is fish the wires through the door. It's starting to look good. Now it's time to put the pressure plate on the back that holds the top 2 stems with screws. And of course, hook up the 2 harness wires together. Now it's time to install the rose that actually holds the battery. Now it's time to install the existing screws that mount the lock together. Now here is where we mount the harnesses together from the battery to the lock. Now this is the cover that covers the battery. There's one little screw that tightens on the bottom that holds it together. So that's it. Now we got to program it. So now we need to program in the master program code, manager code, if you will. So the manager code can be 6, 5, or 4 digits. It's up to you. But one thing you need to be informed about is the fact that whatever you're going to use for a user code for the tenants or the employees, you need to make sure it's the same length as the manager code. So if it's a 4-digit code, the master code has to be 4 digits. You can't have it the other way around where it's like 6 digits for the master code and 4 digits for the user code. That just doesn't work. I've seen some locksmiths program in a manager code and then hand that out to everybody. That's a huge mistake because somebody could accidentally change the user code or manager code to something else, you know, and then you're really screwed. Then your lock would have to have a hard reset, factory style. So there we have it. That's our Trilogy T2 installed. So it took a little convincing to convince the owner to let us install the wraparound plates on there. He didn't want to do them at first, but it turned out looking really good. We did this on 5 different doors, so 5 of their security doors now have Trilogy on there. Yeah, that was a good day. So if you have any questions, drop it in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like the video. I'm Fast Eddie from Fast Eddie's Keys Express. You guys have a great year. Bye-bye.